Hello, 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 beautiful people. Yes, even I have acne. First, I'm going to start off with Touch Glorious Primer. You only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, trust me. Primer is going to prep your skin for foundation, and it's going to help your foundation last all day. Alrighty, taking a flat blending brush, I am going to take Touch Behold setting spray, and I am going to spray it on my brush before I use foundation on it. I like to have a damp brush. Okay, Mineral Touch Liquid Foundation. Don't forget to shake the bottle vigorously so you can mix up all of the product that has separated before you apply it. Now, using the foundation dropper, I'm going to squeeze some product onto my brush. It's all about preference. You can dot on the product and start blending as I did. Make sure that you always blend down to your neckline because, oh, and your ears, that is very important because it is not a pretty look when you have different skin tones going on. Ain't nobody want to have red ears and a tan face. Now, using my Mineral Touch concealer in Satin, I'm going to get a little artistic with it. Get your cheekbones, your chin, and the bridge of your nose, and your forehead. Don't I look beautiful? Alright, taking your beauty blender or a beauty sponge, whatever you use, blend all of those areas in. These areas are the areas that the light would normally hit the most, that are more pronounced. Now, taking a loose setting powder or a loose powder, this is going to help keep your makeup on even longer when you do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my cheekbones, I'm going to put it on the bridge of my nose, my chin again, and my forehead. And I'm going to just bake it. Baking for at least 5 minutes. It's going to help your makeup last even longer throughout the day. Now I'm going to get my quad palette. This thing is awesome. It's customizable. You can choose any 4 pressed eyeshadow singles, like I did. With a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the color Timid, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, sort of as a base color. So you can start off with a light color. Most of the time, what you want to do is start off with a light color. But then again, it's all about preference. Now, taking that same fluffy blending brush, I'm going in with the color Fervent. And it's a really great transition color. It's like a dark purple burgundy. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm taking a flat concealer brush and I'm going to pack on the color Manipulative. And I'm going to put that in the corner of my eyes. And when I say pack on color, what I mean is you're going to take your flat brush, concealer brush, or whatever you're using, and you're going to tap it instead of using a swiping motion. Tap, tap, tappity tap. Now, taking an angled brush, I'm going to use the color Credulous. This color is purple and it's a metallic purple. It is so gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to take this color and from the corner of my eye I'm going to blend upwards and inwards, as you can see. Picking up that same fluffy brush, I'm going to go back in and blend all those colors together. Next, I'm going to use my Precision pencil in Perfect to darken my waterline. And I'm also going to bring it down underneath my waterline. When I do that, I like to use a small concealer brush, and I like to smoke out the eyeliner and get rid of all those harsh lines. I'm going to take a smudger brush and use the color Credulous. I'm going to pack that color under my waterline on the part that I just smoked out. Time for brows. I'm using the Moodstruck Brow Obsession palette in dark brunette. There is two colors. You have a lighter color and a darker color. So first I'm going to go in with the lighter color, and I'm going to basically map out my natural brow, kind of going over the natural growth to have it look a lot more symmetrical. Next, I'm going to go in with the dark color. The darker color, you want to put the darker color on the end of your brow, as you can see, not your inner brow, because usually you want it to fade out to a darker color and come to a point. So there's also a highlighter inside of this palette, which is really awesome. There's two highlighters. I'm going in with the creamier highlighter, not the pink one, but the nice shimmery champagne highlighter. And I'm gonna put that right underneath my brow bone. Okay, I'm cleaning my lips off because I don't know about you, but I'm not a huge fan of foundation on my lips unless it's a really, really, really matte foundation. I'm using the Precision pencil lip liner in Pompous to outline my lips. Next, I'm taking the Opulence lipstick in Swagger, and I'm going to use that to fill in all that blank space. For my contour, I'm using NARS. It's a NARS contour palette in Gienah. I think I said that right. But anyway, there's a lighter color and a darker color. I believe that it's actually supposed to be a blush, but I'm just using it all for contour, the lighter and the darker. Next, I'm going to use my Lisa Frank angled blush brush. I'm going to use my Moodstruck Mineral Blusher in Seductive. Next, I'm using my Touch a la Mode Powder Luminizer in Lustrous with a blush brush, and I'm just gonna pack on that color, kind of like I was explaining earlier about packing on color with your concealer brush and your eyeshadow. It's the same thing. Now I'm gonna contour my nose with a small angled blending brush. Okay, time to seal in my look with the Behold setting spray. And I'm gonna grab a thick piece of paper and fan that setting spray so it dries quickly. Actually, Kim Kardashian's makeup artist Mario talks about this trick. Now I'm gonna line my eyes I don't remember what the eyeliner's called, honestly. But it's a marker liner. And I'm just gonna line them eyes with a beautiful wing. Cause you know I gotta wing it. Taking my Birchbox eyelash curler, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. You always want to curl your eyelashes before you add mascara because you are going to avoid having accidents and pulling out your eyelashes. Okay, this mascara is super duper amazing. It is Epic Mascara. Hit me up for a tube if you want to order. See the difference? I have really short lashes and you can just see the definition. It's already defined those lashes like dang, girl. Don't forget to get your bottom lashes. I usually apply about 2 coats with this mascara. If I really want it to be dramatic, I'll do 3 coats, but 2 coats is the perfect amount for me. And boom, this is the final look. Like, comment, share. Let me know what tutorials you guys want me to do next. All unique products you can order through my link, which is located on my Facebook page or in the bio on my Instagram page. And don't forget to join my VIP group on my Facebook page. See you guys next time.